Alright everybody, we are now going for a ride in our 2001 Porsche Carrera 911. Gray exterior with a light gray interior. Convertible top, automatic on the floor, bucket seats. Very nice cruising little car. Very popular back in its day and is today. Of course, with these cars, they are very unique. You don't have exactly the Bluetooth radio, but you have the CD and old-fashioned cassette. Got your nice old-fashioned wheel here, horn works, brakes work, as we'll demonstrate for you right now. And of course, with these Porsches, they're very unique. Like every new car, you'll eventually see some kind of code on here, but on this one, you see the only thing that's on there is a seatbelt light, which means that this car has been very well taken care of, very well inspected, and is very ready to get back on the road and, you know, surprise your fellow drivers. And when I mean surprise, I mean make them totally jealous that you're driving a very nice Porsche with only 62,000 miles on it. Honestly, I think you can't go wrong there. Anyway, if you'd like to see more cool cars like this, please visit our YouTube channel. Visit skywayclassics.com, take a look at our inventory. But for now, we're gonna get her turned around, get her on the lift. Please stay tuned to see the underneath.